Hi Dooneynistas, it's me the Pecan Tan Beauty and welcome to my channel, or as always, I welcome you back to my channel. So today's video guys is going to be unboxing number 2 of the Dooneynistas Pick My Unboxing series. So if you have not checked out the first unboxing, then I will leave a link below so you can check out which box I unboxed first. So anyway guys, if you are interested in seeing which box the Dooneynistas of the Dooneyista Den chose for me to open next, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. Okay guys, so let's get started. I am going to insert a photo of the voting that shows which box to open next. The first box that we opened was box number 5, which is now gone. And there were a total of 5 boxes to start with. So now we just have 4 boxes left. The box number that was chosen next was box number 3. And we started off with 1, 2, this is 3, here's number 4, number 5 has already been opened. So let's go ahead and pick box number 3 and see what is inside. So this is box number 3, and then this is box number 4. So I'm just going to move these to the side. And here we are for box number 3. So let's see what's inside. Okay guys, so here we go. If you saw the first unboxing, I mentioned that one of these boxes is a Never Say Never that was purchased by my guy friend who knew that there are certain bags that I always say never to. So he surprised me and chose a bag which was a very good Never Say Never, I am going to admit. He knows me very well. So that was pretty exciting. I was a little bit nervous, but I was excited at the same time. So let's see what is in the box. Okay, let's see. Okay. All right, and this bag was purchased during the birthday sale. I think it was, the code was cake that they had maybe about 3 or 4 weeks or so ago. So this bag is a bag that I do not own in my collection. And I just wanted to try it out. And at the price that was going on, I thought that it was worth a try. So let's see. Here is what we have. So if I can remember what the name is, I always get this one and another one mixed up. So here it is. This is the Dooney Bourke Piper in the color caramel. And you guys, this is actually larger than I thought it was. So I went with a neutral color because I have a couple of other crossbody style bags that are in more of the fashion colors, like the Caribbean blue and grass and some other colors like that are more of the fashion colors. So I thought that I would just do a quick neutral in this bag to kind of balance things out. So I get this bag and the Kimberly mixed up. They are very similar, but this one I chose, and I will tell you why I actually went with this style versus the Kimberly. So again, I just want to show you the item number just in case you are interested here. And this is number 83 of 258, if anybody cares. I just always find that interesting. So here we go, guys. And actually, guys, you know what? crossbodies were a never say never for me. I rarely carry them crossbody. The only bag that I do carry crossbody in a crossbody bag is my Cameron guitar with the guitar strap. So normally I carry them on the shoulder, but that bag in particular, I think that bag is made to be carried crossbody. So that's why I choose to carry it that way. So here she is, guys. This is the Pebbled Leather Piper in the color Caramel. Very neutral color. I don't own many bags in this color in the Pebbled Leather. I think I own the large Lexington in this color, and I think that's it, guys. I don't own many bags in the Pebbled Leather in this type of natural caramel color. So very excited to have this. So here we go. Let's just take off the plastic because it is a keeper. So guys, this is the reason I decided to go with this particular style versus the Kimberly, is because it has the nice wide strap here. And it's not like the straps that's on like the Courtney, you know, the full the kettle leather. This one has some pebbled leather with it, which makes it a little bit more flexible, I think. So I just wanted to give this a try, and it does look like it is adjustable. And one thing that I do wish, Peter and I are going to have another talk, is that it does not have the keeper here, the strap keeper here. They just have one here. So the straps tend to kind of bow out a little bit, but I can fix that. But anyway, guys, the Piper has the pocket here on the front, and I won't go into too much detail, but if you would like a what fits in my Piper, give this video a thumbs up so I know that you want more details and a full review on this bag. But here is the inside. I see a dust bag. There is no pocket system on the back, no feet on the bottom. It's a crossbody. So anyway, guys, here she is, the Piper in the color Caramel. And so I'm pretty excited to carry her. So again, this is just going to be a quick unboxing. But if you would like to see a what fits and some mod shots or comparisons, please give the video a thumbs up and I will make that happen. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.